Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Healthy Bites tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview on the left where you can see changes to your feed. On the right, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize this feed button at the bottom to make further customizations. Select the content format. Available content formats are images or video. Set the content views you wish to include in the feed. Available views are dental hygiene, fitness focus, healthy eating, total wellness, workplace wellness, and your health. Optionally randomize the order. Choose your shape. Available shapes are 16:9, 1920 by 1080, or 9:16, 1080 by 1920. Elect to limit the number of items in the feed, and set the delivery method. Depending on your content format, if you've chosen images, delivery method available are HTML, media RSS, and direct URL. If video is selected, available delivery methods are media RSS or direct URL. Click the Create Feed button to create your Healthy Bites feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.